moment when the days start getting shorter and suddenly 4 p.m. looks like midnight? The air gets crisper and your energy dips, and everything just feels a little bit heavier? If you're feeling uninspired or a bit gloomy as the days get darker and cooler, you're not alone. But what if the season could actually become one of your most magical ones yet? In today's episode, I'm sharing 10 cozy and heartwarming ways to romanticize darker and cooler days, to turn slow gray moments into something beautiful, grounding, and even creative. Think of this episode as your warm blanket, your cup of tea, and gentle reminder that you can make the season deeply special, not by rushing through it, but by leaning in. Before we start, I want to welcome you again to my channel. I'm Alma Joy, a working professional, life coach, and content creator in San Diego, California. And whether you're tuning in on your morning walk, during your commute, or curled up at home, I'm so glad that you're here. All right, grab your tea, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Tip 1. Create a signature cozy ritual. There's something powerful about having a small ritual that anchors your day. Maybe it's lighting a candle while journaling, making a cup of tea before bed, or playing a cozy playlist as you wind down. For me, when the days get dark, I light a candle around 5 p.m. and play soft jazz and write down 3 good things that happened that day. It's my signal to slow down and shift into calm. Choose one small ritual that helps you feel grounded, something sensory that tells your mind and body, I'm safe, I'm cozy, I'm home. Tip 2. Romanticize the rain. Instead of dreading gray skies, what if you made them your backdrop for rest and creativity? You can make a playlist called Rainy Day Feels, journal by the window, or curl up with a good book as the rain taps against the glass. One of my favorite memories was riding on a rainy afternoon, wrapped in a blanket, feeling like I'm living inside a cozy novel. Next time it rains, slow down. Light a candle, make tea, and let yourself rest or create. Rainy days can be permission to slip into recharge. Tip 3. Read by lamplight. The darker months are perfect for rediscovering the joy of reading. There's something nostalgic about curling up with a soft blanket and reading under the warm glow of a lamp. When I read before bed instead of scrolling, I sleep better, and I feel like I've given my imagination room to breathe. Lately, I've been reading cozy mystery novels. Set up a little reading corner, maybe a blanket, a pillow, and your favorite book, and let it become your evening escape. Tip 4. Dress for the mood. This is the season to dress like the main character in your own cozy movie. Think soft knits, wool socks, scarves, and oversized sweaters. When I'm wearing something warm and put together, even if I'm at home, I instantly feel more intentional and romantic about my day. Pick a few go-to cozy outfits that make you feel both comfortable and confident. Getting dressed can be a simple act of self-love and creativity. Tip 5. Bring nature inside. As the trees change, bring some of that beauty indoors. Dried flowers, pine cones, branches, or even a bowl of apples and pears on your table. I love collecting little things for my walk. A leaf, a branch, and arranging them in a vase as a reminder that even nature slows down gracefully. Decorating your space with natural touches makes your home feel alive, even if the world outside quiets down. Tip 6. Cook slow, cozy meals. This is the season for slow simmering soups, roasted vegetables, and baking just because it smells good. When I make homemade chili, it's not about just eating, it's about creating warmth and comfort. The process becomes its own kind of therapy. Try picking one cozy recipe each week and make it your Sunday ritual. Let cooking be more than just fuel. Let it be care. Tip 7. Embrace slower mornings. You don't have to keep the same fast pace of summer. Cooler months are an invitation to slow down. Try cozy mornings, stretching under a blanket, journaling, meditating, or sipping tea before checking your phone. When I start slower, I feel more grounded and grateful. Instead of rushing, it feels like I'm greeting the day with calm intention. Give yourself permission to have one slow start morning a week. Just reconnect with yourself. Tip 8. Make evenings feel magical. As soon as it gets dark, I like to switch off harsh lights and turn on lamps or fairy lights. It instantly changes the mood. Little things like that make evenings feel sacred instead of gloomy. I often make tea, turn on a cozy playlist, and unwind in soft lighting. Make one corner of your home your cozy nook, a place where you can end your day gently, warm, quiet, and at peace. Tip 9. Create without pressure. Cooler months are perfect for gentle creativity. Painting, journaling, scrapbooking, or even creating vision boards for the new year. One winter, I started making mood boards just for fun. No deadlines, no expectations. And it reignited my creativity in the best way. Try creating something this week without judging it. Just enjoy the process. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to feel good. Tip 10, redefine what light means. Even when it's dark outside, you can create your own light through kindness, gratitude, laughter, and connection. When I write my gratitude list at night, it reminds me that light isn't only found in sunshine, it's in the people we love, the things we create, and the moments we choose to notice. Each night, write down one bright moment from your day, one thing that made you smile. It's a simple way to remind yourself that light still exists everywhere. So as we move into these darker, cooler days, remember, this isn't a season just to get through. It's a season to slow down, to rest, and to rediscover yourself. Here's a quick recap of the 10 cozy ways to romanticize the season. 1. Create a signature cozy ritual. 2. Romanticize the rain. 3. Read by lamplight. 4. Dress for the mood. 5. Bring nature inside. 6. Cook slow, cozy meals. 7. Embrace slower mornings. 8. Make evenings magical. 9. Create without pressure. And 10. Redefine what light means. Darker days can be beautiful when we see them as invitations, not endings. They remind us to turn inward, to slow down, and to make our own light. If you love this episode, don't forget to subscribe for episodes that help you feel grounded, inspired, and in love with your everyday life. Until next time, light your candle, pour your tea, and remember, even the darkest days can glow when you choose to romanticize them. Take care, and remember, you are enough.